Hi, I'm Kelley Holmes. We're here in 2009 for Graphics of the Americas in Miami Beach. We're getting ready to take a tour for quick and small commercial printers, and thank you for joining us. Hi, this is Kelley Holmes, and we are here in Miami at the Graphics of the Americas 2009 trade show, and we're here talking with Tawnya Starr from Printer Presence. Tawnya, can you tell us a little bit about Printer Presence?
Well, I'd love to, Kelley. Printer Presence is a proven website solution that allows printers to have an opportunity to increase revenue of 30 to 40% using tools that we have found print buyers are looking for in using a website when working with a print provider.
Great. And you consider Printer Presence to be in the web-to-print area of this trade show, right?
That is correct.
Okay. Can you explain to the audience a little bit about what web-to-print means?
Well, web-to-print is a very broad and general term. I think it's a little bit overused in what it is. Basically, web-to-print is having a web tool of some kind that allows an end user to interact with a website and basically place an order for some type of printing. And the tool could be integrated into their existing solutions, their workflow solutions. It may not necessarily be integrated into their existing workflow solutions. It is simply the ability, web-to-print is the ability for people to submit orders, for printers to receive the orders, and then move them into whatever workflow solution they currently have.
Okay, and what are some of the key components to Printer Presence that you feel would help the printing industry to make them more successful?
Well, what we have found in working with the end users, and that's really the premise of Printer Presence, we focus on research with people who buy printing. And the website is completely underutilized as a marketing tool in really helping printers differentiate themselves from their competition in their markets. Printer Presence is designed for a printer to use it as a sales tool when they go in to call on clients and prospects and setting up their documents for reorders. So really making sure that printers understand it's not just about online orders, it's about marketing, it's about conveying their products, their services, and how they can genuinely help a potential customer. And that's where Printer Presence comes into the picture.
Great. And Tawnya, I know you guys put a lot of development into launching this product in the marketplace and a lot of research. Can you explain a little bit about that?
Certainly. Over the course of 10 years, it's been 10 years since we launched our first version of the product, we have been conducting focus group research with people who buy printing. We go to different regions of the country throughout the year to really understand what it is that print buyers want, understanding the trends with technology and web development. We have an R&D team. That's all they do. They focus how individuals like ourselves are using the web and in what capacity. And we take into consideration all of those elements and components as we have developed and evolved the technology of Printer Presence so that it is on track with not just web technology, but where the end user wants to be. And that is how we have developed the product.
Interesting. These are very challenging times for people in the printing industry right now. What are some of your concerns about the printing business in general?
My biggest concern as a former print shop owner myself is that printers need to recognize today more than ever that they need to embrace change. They have to evolve in their business and understanding opportunities that are before them that are not conventional opportunities as we know them in the printing industry. The technology has changed. Printers, presses have changed, moving from offset to digital, and understanding how to truly embrace the technologies that are present. As well as marketing, I feel that printers are not positioning themselves in their marketplaces. They're not going out there and looking for the opportunities. They're going to have to step outside of their comfort zone and move into understanding variable data and personalization and conveying that in a way that benefits the people who need those products. And that is my biggest concern, is that printers are not embracing quick enough the changes that are evolving and how they can capitalize on that. So if they don't, their business will not be able to sustain in a profitable manner, which is what we all want, is to have a great business and be profitable.
Well, it sounds like your heart's in the right place, Tawnya. Thank you for speaking to Quick Printing today at the Miami show,